Hi, in this session we are going to talk about the execution of commands in reactive command, like how we can handle the CanExecute property of the reactive command. Here, inside the create methods, it receives the action that's going to be execute and an observable pool called CanExecute. It's an observable to handle the execution status of the reactive command. Simply, it's an observable of type pool whenever the value is false, so you cannot act this command and the button, for example, will be disabled. Let's create this observable to handle the execution of our magical famous clear command. Now, we can execute the clear command when there is any value inside the search query. Otherwise, you can't because there is nothing to clear. So I will create an observable, call it CanExecute clear equals to, I will listen to search query using this one, any value dot search query, and I will use the select method and receive the query as well, and it should return something. The query is this observable, the value of it, I would say string dot is null or white space query, then return false, otherwise return true. So here I have an observable of type pool. I can pass it to the create method, CanExecute clear. Now again, let's make a quick recap. Here I'm listening to the search query by converting it into an observable using this dot when any value. Now when anything changed in the search query, I can use the dot select method. It receives the new value, which is the query, and then if the value is empty, I can return false, otherwise return true. And this is an observable because the function here is going to be executed every time the search query is changing. And simply I passed it to the create and reactive command, and we are done. Now let's start the project to check that out. Okay, here as you can see, by default the entry is null, so the search query is null, it's empty, so the clear button is disabled because the CanExecute property of the clear command is false. Now I will type something here. Okay, now you can click and it's clear. Again, it's null. If I type any spaces, also considers it as null. That was pretty simple. And again, if you have any questions, if anything is not totally clear, please, you can simply leave your question in the comment section below. I will try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget, if you like the video, please hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you so much.